Have you ever met someone who left his name, fame, and success just for bringing change in other people's life? Hi, my name is Neha. Focus for next 5 minutes because I have an artistic story to tell you. आज हम आए हैं छत्तीसगढ़ के बहुत ही खूबसूरत से गांव बतौली में, जहां की हवाओं में कुछ अलग ही रंग और उमंग है. Let's meet Prakash Garg, who is the reason behind Batauli being the most interesting and artistic place.
Hi Siddhi humans, this is Prakash Garg. I'm from Batauli. बतौली एक विलेज है छत्तीसगढ़ में जो सेंट्रल इंडिया में आता है. मैं बाय क्वालिफिकेशन एक आईटी इंजीनियर हूँ. बाय पैशन आई एम पेंटिंग आर्टिस्ट और आई एम फाउंडर ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट बतौली.
This man shut down his own art gallery and shifted to village just for the upliftment of villagers. Earlier in Batauli there was no awareness regarding art. People here doesn't even know that chalk colors and crayons do exist. Batauli is a very beautiful place with so lovely people. Then why it should be ignorant of art? Because no art means no purpose of life. इसी simple thought की वजह से he decided to fill people's life with colors and teach them different kind of arts. This man is an award-winning conceptual painting artist. He won many awards and recognition for his extraordinary talent. But why he left everything and settled in village? Let's have a look towards his incompatible journey. He did his schooling from his native place Batauli. After completing his schooling, he went to Bilaspur for his higher studies. There he discovered his love towards art. He started painting more and more. People started recognizing him and his art. पेंटिंग अब उनके लिए सिर्फ एक आर्ट ही नहीं बल्कि एक पैशन और सब कुछ बन गया था. He traveled many cities and participated in many art exhibitions and won many prizes and awards. His art made him very well-known person. Due to much demand of his painting, उन्होंने अपनी एक आर्ट गैलरी ओपन की इन रायपुर, वो भी इतनी कम उम्र में. सब बहुत अच्छा चल रहा था. He was very well settled. But then one fine day, he decided to take a break and visit his village and family for some days. जब वो अपने गांव आए, उन्हें ये देखकर बहुत ही ताज्जुब हुआ कि वहाँ के लोगों को उनके आर्ट के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता. They didn't even know the meaning of paintings. तब उन्हें एहसास हुआ कि वो कितने आगे निकल गए हैं और उनका गांव अभी भी वहीं है. On the same day, he decided to leave everything and work for his village because he thought that it was the time to pay back to his village. वो इस काम की शुरुआत बच्चों को पेंटिंग सिखाने से करना चाहते थे and for this he needed to gather children. उनके लिए ये सबसे मुश्किल पार्ट रहा because people feared sending their children to him as they were totally unaware of what he was doing. He traveled many miles daily to meet people and convince them. बट उन्हें शाम को खाली हाथ ही लौटना पड़ता था. It took him very long time to win the confidence of villagers. लेकिन वो कहते हैं ना, You cannot defeat the one who never gives up. थोड़े दिनों बाद he had good number of children जिन्हें वो पेंटिंग सिखा सके. He did not want to limit art to just painting, so he contacted many of his friends who can teach them music, dance, yoga, different plays, and anything in which they are superior. Luckily, all of his friends participated actively to fulfill his vision. He also provides different stationery to children which they might have never seen in their lifetime. He do not only focuses on art but also provide creative education to children. He preserves local form of dance and music, encourages ecological construction and organic farming. Later on, उन्होंने इन सारी एक्टिविटीज़ को नाम दिया इस प्रोजेक्ट बतौली NGO. This NGO is fully self-funded. He built an eco-friendly house on a rented place in Batauli to attract tourists, so villagers can get good earnings. In this house, everything from walls to beds to roofs to fridge, everything is constructed ecologically. Volunteers who want to teach their skill and different art to children lives here in this house and enjoys being with nature. Here they follow the concept of self-cooking. Also they make tourists aware of organic farming. This initiative has attracted many volunteers and tourists from different countries. वो सिर्फ बच्चों को ही नहीं बल्कि वॉलंटियर्स को भी ट्रेनिंग देते हैं so they can convey the same to children. आज उनके पास 50 से भी ज़्यादा आर्टिस्ट हैं जो बच्चों को अलग अलग आर्ट सिखाते हैं। He has many different village activities for tourists like village research, making earthen pots, self-cooking, bamboo art, different cultures and rituals, local music and art, and much more. Tourism has increased a lot due to this idea, which has helped all villagers. Today, people of Batauli are very proud of him and really thankful for whatever he is doing for his village. He has never charged a single penny for any of his work and do not expect anything in return. He do not have any big plans for future. Just he want to continue doing what he is doing because he thinks life बड़ी हो ना हो बेहतरीन ज़रूर होनी चाहिए. With this NGO, he also fulfills his passion of painting. He sells these paintings and artifacts online and offline and utilizes the profit money for this NGO. Here are some of his paintings. Me being an art lover, his work has really blown my mind.
So yes, I can proudly say that I'm a Ziddi human.
So guys, this was the story of a Ziddi human who knows no excuses but results. Hope you have enjoyed it. If yes, do share it with your loved ones. Keep liking and must subscribe to our channel for more stories of Ziddi human. अगर आपके ध्यान में भी कोई ऐसे ही जिद्दी ह्यूमन है, then drop their details in below comments. Together we will inspire hearts and minds to turn their exciting dreams into an even more exciting reality. So guys, that's it for today. See you in our next video with a new story of Ziddi human. Till then, stay kind, stay safe.